If basic fixes don't work, start with advanced troubleshooting. First, confirm your signal strength is around 0 dBmmV for downstream channels. Poor signal can cause reboots. You can check this through the box's settings or by contacting Spectrum. For overheating issues, consider adding a small fan to improve airflow, especially during hot weather. Remember, ideal temperatures are below 50 degrees Celsius for internal components to prevent thermal protection reboots. Ensure your firmware is up to date, as Spectrum releases updates to fix known bugs. Regularly check for updates through the box settings or Spectrum's website. To prevent future reboots, maintain good ventilation, use a reliable surge protector, and keep your firmware updated. Some newer Arris models incorporate Wi-Fi 6E and voice control, which can increase complexity and firmware-related reboots. If problems continue, it could indicate hardware failure. Contact Spectrum support for a replacement. Also, be aware of any regional outages which can cause reboots. Check the Spectrum website for alerts.